Good morning, students. Dear students, I am Anantesh, physical school. Hi, welcome to our English online class, YouTube online class. Dear students, previous class we have studied the very beautiful and very interesting lesson. That lesson is the enchanted pool in the Institute of Second Language English. This is the first lesson. So this lesson was composed by the C. Rajagopalachari. Rajagopalachari full name was Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. He popularly known as Rajaji. He was very well-known author and then inclusive thinker, politician, and then a good writer. So, but he write more of his works on the basis of then Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Bhagavad Gita. This lesson was extracted from the his Mahabharatas, the story of Mahabharata. In this story, the Rajaji, the motto of we have the moral values, we learn the moral values from the Ramayana and Mahabharata. So we feel proud our ancestors because they give a contribution to our Indian culture to enrich the culture, heritage, and tradition also. That's why our great epics is a role model of all the world. So we feel very proud for our ancestors. So in this lesson, we are not doing incalculated contribution of our ancestors. Those are given to our Indian tradition in modern days. So we are remembered every day and read our Ramayana and Mahabharata of great epics of Indians. So we are completed in the third paragraph. Now we are reading the fourth paragraph. So we all understood the students what happened in the previous courses. So we just I say to you very briefly. So Pandavas lost their everything and they are living the from everything surrendered to the all property to the Duryodhana and leave their kingdom and lived in the forest for 12 years for exile and 1 year for the disgust in the deep forest. What happened there? What are the first difficulties we are faced when they are leading their life in the forest? So once they are saw a beautiful deer and they are these the five Pandavas, especially Dharmaraya and Bhima, Nakula, and Sahadeva, Arjuna. These were trying to catch them and caught them that deer, but the deer was disappeared and it is the deep taken to the these Pandavas from far away from their livings. So what happening? Some they are in the this incident happened in during the month of summer. So they are tired and worried about, and they especially Yudhishthira, the Prathama Pandava, Dharmaraya was very tired and weary and thirsty. So he sank down under the tree. All the others are also sank down. So they are wanted to fulfill their basic desire was the quench for their desire. Quench means to satisfy drinking the water, their desire. So they Yudhishthira called to Nakula to climb up the tree and see whether there was a pool or a water source. So suddenly the Nakula was climbing up the tree and see the far away. He identified and guessed there are some water source like a pool. Pool means a water still in a small water still in the area. So he identified and the water plants and the cranes and the lotus are there grown. He fell down and go into the direction of direction of the water, direction of the pool. What happened? He went into the near the pool. Suddenly he dipped into the hands into the water. He was very happy. But suddenly a voice was heard. What was the voice heard? So don't stop Nakula, don't drink the water. So he looked around and he didn't see any personality and any appearance. But once again he tried to dip his hand into the pool, but pool was created, or pool was under the control of some invisible or unseen and then unfavored bodies of the any invisible hands. So he also said to, or once again the great voice in stop Nakula, don't drink the water, the son of Mamri. So he worried, but he is neglected. He is neglected and tried to forward into the hole. Suddenly he was in tragedy and very feel terrible tragedy and appears like they had died. So sometime when Nakula did not return, so Yudhishthira also worried about why he didn't. It may be happening that danger in the forest. So he sent to the Sahadeva to also. But Sahadeva went into the near the pool. But he is also the voice was heard. Stop Sahadeva, don't drink the water. This pool was mine. So and he again ordered attention to the persons are giving a heedless of warning. So heedless of warning. So Sahadeva is also Sahadeva was also neglected and not bothered about these inform of the foe and unseen foe. So suddenly he was also a terrible adversary and unconsciously laying on the ground. So here in the situation, the Yudhishthira also to wait for their brothers. Why he thought that why our brothers didn't return? He called him to Arjuna and Madhyama Pandava. You go and see whether what happened in the there is a mild danger in our brothers are in the difficulty. So you go and see what happening and you bring some water to drink. I am very tired. I wanted to satisfy my thirsty first. So Arjuna also, Arjuna was a very wiser and he was a good archery and he was very confident in his archery and he also shoot the shot was on which direction the sound was heard. Like he was a very famous in Shabdavedi. So he took a bow and arrows and went into the direction of the pool, and he come to near the pool and he saw his brothers, two brothers were Nakula and Sahadeva were laying on the ground. So his heart was broken and he was in grief, very sorrowful. So he was very angry, avenged to take revenge against the unseen foe. So he was called Bhu. And again he heard the news, don't stop Arjuna, don't drink the water, this pool was mine. Again the voice was heard and he warning to the Arjuna to heedless of the warning. But Arjuna was also neglected. He was also he can't recognize the unseen form and then shapeless of the bodies. So, but he is neglected because dear students, here we are guessing. So, these are all brothers who didn't have any patience. So they facing many problems here. So we learn in this lesson also. Let us see. I read the fourth paragraph. Listen carefully. What happening? What action? What are the incident happened in the fourth, and what are the react of Arjuna to the unseen form? So again the warning. The voice was heard. Answer my questions before you drink the water. This pool is mine. If you disobey me, you will follow your brother. Arjuna become very angry. So again I already told to you, Arjuna, the unseen form was warning to the Arjuna, don't drink the water without my permissions. So this pool was mine. I have the right to this pool. You answer my question. I gave the permission to drink. But in this time, Arjuna was had to lose his patience also. But he was very wiser. But sometimes, so like we think about overwhelm. A overwhelm, what do you mean by overwhelm? Overwhelm means a state, a person, how to react the situation. So that is called an overwhelm. So here, when he saw his brothers were laying on the ground, he worried and frustrated and then afraid. So his heart was broken and he was very angry in mood, and he taken revenge against the which was the force made to appearance of our brothers. So he was warned the foam, but the unseen foam again warning to the Arjuna. What warning the foam was given? Dear, come and stood up me and I will kill you. So again Arjuna was very angry in mood. So he asked question, who are you asking to me? I am Arjuna, you know, I am the Madhyama Pandava, I am the Partha, I am famous in the greatest archery. So he explained himself, but the unseen form or the invisible appearance is taking it very seriously. Arjuna, don't cry. This pool is mine. You obey my order. Obey, disobey. These are the prefix words in grammar. So here, what is the prefix? Prefix is the word we are adding to the opposite or the synonym, antonyms, sorry, synonyms. So obey or disobey. So obey means you follow my rules and regulations. So first you answer my questions, and second you more gave concentration, attention to my warnings. So after I gave to permission or not? Yes, but Arjuna was very angry more, so he ordered and he questioned the unseen form. Who are you? Come with me, in front of me, I will kill you. Our very shoot sharp arrows, we using. But then, what happened? Again the voice, invisible voice, being laughed and scorned and said, your arrows can't touch me, Arjuna. Again, the warning heard the unseen body. He answered Arjuna, and he answered and laughed and scorned. He answered, hey, Arjuna, your arrows can't touch me. Touch me. Yes, Arjuna wanted to describe this unseen foe. Foe means opposite word. Foe, Shatu. Opposite word is friend or foe. But first he had once this terrible thrust. So these are all the situations happened. These are all the interaction. These are all conversation or conflict between the Arjuna and invisible hand. But he asked another side. Arjuna had a terrible thirsty. So he monster thirst, not only a terrible thirst, monstrous thirst. So he first wait, first I satisfy my wants, drinking them some water. After I take the revenge or avenge against you, wait. Who are you? Unseen form, come in, stood and in front of me. I will shoot you. I will shoot you with my arrows. I will kill you. Mildly, he ordered. Again, what happened? So he drank the water and also fell down. And so he neglected the heed of warnings. Arjuna is also neglected heed of warning. Dear students, here like we are guessing. We are what we learn in this lesson. So, Taiyavanu Padiyavanu in Kannada. So we have the patience. So we always concentrated and cautious and we behave like a very patiently. Otherwise, we are in troubles. So here Arjuna have the capacity to the archery, but he loses patience. So he was also fell down, laying on the ground. He was very deep into the water. He was terrible adversary and he was looking like a appearance to the death. But actually was not dead. So after what happening here? So here, so Yudhishthira and also worried about why did the Vaisar Arjuna did not return. He worried about what happened. Oh, he thought that because Yudhishthira is a person of wisdom, a person of intelligence, a person of a patience, a person of one who have love his brothers, a person of kindness, a person of patience. So these are all the qualities had the Yudhishthira. So he was guessing. So Arjuna was in also a danger. So he called his who called? Yudhishthira called. To whom was he called? Called Balabhima. You know Balabhima? When he heard this word, we know the strength. The Bhima is the symbol of strength. He had 16,000 elephants, 16,000 of elephants power. So he put on his Gada, and he obeyed his brother's order. So he went into the direction of the pool. So he come near in front of nearer to the pool. He was also very happy. But what happened? So when he saw his brother, so they are all appearance to the dead. So I read to the fifth paragraph. After another unconsciously, Yudhishthira turned to Bhima, dear brother, even Arjuna and great hero hasn't returned. Here, Yudhishthira gave respect to every person. And here, one proverb is there: give respect and then take respect. Yudhishthira had these type of qualities, so he finally won down all the difficulties. So, dear students, Arjuna is a hero, but he lose his patience, so he was in fall in and trials. So he called to Bhima, you go and see our hero hasn't been returned. So what happened? You go and see. Something terrible must be happened to our brothers. Please find them quickly. He become very excitement. So who excited here? Yudhishthira excited there. Why he was excited? All three brothers are dead. Did not return. They went into the bring the water, but he did not return. So actually, as usually, Yudhishthira was very puzzled, afraid and worried. So he ordered to Bhima. Bhima hurried away without any word. So here, everyone respected to the elders. So everyone respected or everyone followed the order of the elders. So this kind of habits we are learning this lesson also. How the Bhima, you know, we have a power of 60,000 powers, but he is said to the Yudhishthira, you go and see, but he obeyed his the brother's speech also. So what he do? Like Arjuna, Bhima also did not return heed of warning and drink the water eagerly, glaring around in the defiance. So when Bhima come to near the pool, he saw all the brothers, three brothers were laying on the ground. They look like appearance like a dead. Here there is a tree. So what he did? What Bhima did? He saw all three brothers. So he was very angry. He is also taken revenge. Who are you? Killed my three brothers. Come in front of me. I will kill you. I will destroy you. He ordered and sounded. But there afterwards a great voice was heard. That voice was, dear Bhima, stop, don't drink the water, this pool was mine. If you neglected my words, if you are not take serious our words, so you are followers, what your father, your brothers are follows like that. So this is another warning. Voice was unsinful. But what Bhima take? How Bhima take? Bhima take defense instantly. A great strength seemed to be still from him like a great garment, and he also fell dead among his brother. Dear, how we are understood here, we are observed the word how Bhima is the power of strength. What happened in there? Dear students, understand this sentence. So his power made like a garment, like when he went into the deep into the water, suddenly was unconscious. His all power was losing. Wow! Here, Sri Rajagopalachari is compared to Bhima's strength. Compared, his strength is loose like a garment. So this is the comparison. Yes, him like a garment and also fell into. So he was also unconsciously laying on the ground. His power became a slip from like a garment. ಬಟ್ಟೆಯ ತರ ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ವಸ್ತ್ರದ ತರ ಸಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. His all power sinks when he deep into the water. Suddenly a force was sink the all powers of the Bhima like a garment. Do you understand, dear students? So we have sometimes our ego or our aham some spoiled in our life here. So yes, I will say to you, you remind me in your minds. So you always become like a very cool and very calm. So you observe the warnings, who are giving to warning. You observe, you concentrate. Sometimes our parents are giving to some of the warning, but we are not concentrated or neglected. What happens after when we are facing the difficulties? So we are remember that this is right, this is I will cross my our parents' speeches also. Yes, dear students. Next, what happened when here Yudhishthira Yudhishthira also waited for some time. So all the four brothers were not returned. What happened in Yudhishthira? So he thought himself. So they are all brothers were might have a terrible danger or the factual danger. So he stood and stood up, went into the direction of the pool. So he come to the near to the pool. What he do? What he react? What was the incident happened? Dear students, let's read the 6th paragraph. So puzzled and worried that his brothers had not returned, Yudhishthira himself proceeded. When all four brothers were not returned, so he started to begin to the direction of the his brothers. So direction of his brothers. He thought that and some fear and afraid himself had taken. When he came near the pool, he saw his all four brothers laying on the ground. So here the picture is represented. This is the picture is the Yudhishthira or Brahmaraja. So all four brothers were laying on appears like a dead. This is the pool here. So the pool was under control by a invisible foam or an invisible body. It was created here by we are understood the pool was enchanted by a magic spell here. Someone it is very controlled by anyone. So but we can't see the person or the bodies or the foe here. But we have the more patience. We see all the four unseen bodies. But here, so he understood. Oh, this pool was very controlled by someone else. So he thought that because Yudhishthira had the great patience and he had wisdom, he was very intelligent. So he thought that. So all four brothers were laying on. So they are neglected the heat of the fingers. So the danger is happened in the area. So he was very serious. So seriously he reacted that. And for the laying on the ground, all appears dead. He was shocked. He got into the pool and punched his breast. So he is initially he was very thirsty, weary and thirsty. First he satisfied his wants by drinking some water, but he saw all four brothers were laying on the ground. One side he was happened, so he lose his patience also. Another side, first he satisfied his thirst. So this is the overwhelming situation. So in this situation, how the persons persons react. Sometimes we reacted emotionally. Sometimes we are reacted very patiently. So this reaction is changes their or damages our lives also. So like Yudhishthira had a full of wisdom, he take very seriously and he was also did not lose his patience also. So he did not lose his patience. At once the voice without from warned him. Again the unseen form was warned. Stop Nakula, stop Yudhishthira, don't drink the water. This pool was mine. So I gave the warning to all your brothers, but they are neglected. So like that. So you are neglected my warnings, or you are neglected my attention. So you are also following your brothers. So suddenly Yudhishthira think, oh, this is not an ordinary thing. This is a very invisible hand is controlled here. So he guessed who Who guessed here? Yudhishthira guessed. But he waited. So he controlled his trust first. What was his trust? He terrible trust was he controlled. Like that. Dear students, we have sometimes we control our emotions by doing through our yoga and all activities. So otherwise our mind is losing or we are not concentrated, we are lack of patience, so damages our life also. So hence, dear students, all the what happened between the unseen form or invisible hands and Yudhishthira, what was the conversation started here in this sixth paragraph? Your brother died because they did not heed my words. Do not follow them. Again, the voice was warning to the Yudhishthira. I gave more of heedless of warnings, but your brothers were not to follow my heedless of warnings. So you also follow my warning. Otherwise, you are follow your brothers. Answer my questions first, and then quench your trust. This school is mine. So you answer my some questions. I asked him to you some questions. You answer after I gave the permissions. Again the voice was heard, but he can't see any the body shape or the sign of the invisible thing on abstract. So what happened in the seventh paragraph? So let's move beyond. Read. Yudhishthira knew that these could be none other than the words of the Yaksha, and he said, oh, suddenly he was he guessed. Who guessed here? Yudhishthira guessed. This is the unseen form is called Yaksha. Yaksha is a being, a semi god, being in like wealth of the god of wealth. He guessed. Oh, this fool was controlled by the Yaksha. One question is asking, who was Yaksha? Yaksha was the god of wealth here. So semi god. Yes. So he guessed. Who guessed here? Yudhishthira guessed. What had happened to his brothers? So he guessed. So they are all neglected voice of Yakshas, manufactured Yaksha. So they are affected or the damages or they are falling down danger also. So he listened very carefully and answered her. So what he do? He said to the boldest of voice, please ask your questions. The voice put questions rapidly, one after another. Suddenly the Yaksha, oh yes, you are good. So Yudhishthira said to the invisible unseen form, you asked me, please, here. So please, Yudhishthira is also an elder of the Pandavas, but he knows everything. But sometimes he was pleased to the in the younger or aging elder. So this kind, so like sometimes it is help for me and you also. So we like I think one proverb in ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಾಲಕನಂತೆ. So we are gave respect to the letters. So we sometimes it is helpful for me and we also. So this is the more main habit we are developing or we are followed in the lesson we learned here. So again the voice was so asked the so many questions, one and after there is no non-stop questioning. So these questions are very difficult or very we can't answer any questions. That type of an Yaksha Prashna, like that Yaksha Prashna we can't solve easily. These questions are very no one can answer these type of questions. So so we can't easily to solve. So that type of the questions are asking the HR to be Yudhishthira. So how one side their brothers were playing on or appearance vacated, another side he was had a great terrible trust, and he one side invisible hand asking them so many questions. How to react Yudhishthira? So these are all to learn. We have the patience. A person who have the patience, he no change. He never accepted. He easily to bring. So like that we learn in this lesson. Dear students, what are the questions are asked the HR to Yudhishthira? Now I will stop here. Tomorrow I will continue the class. Thank you, my listening the lessons. Dear students, now I will stop here. Thank you.